Hello everyone, so I have the latest Your Creative Studio box here, sort of beat it up trying to get the tape off there. Let me pull this out. This is really beautiful right here. Thank you card. Love the flowers, love the purples. Ooh, and those look like hydrangea. And a very nice background with kind of a purple color. I used to have a wall color in a powder room and the name was Violet Stone. That's what that reminds me of, a really kind of a gray lavender color. Alright, tissue paper down. Let's start with the masking tape, or also known as washi. This is nice. It's more blue than purple, in my humble opinion. Let's see if... okay. It shows up much better on white, you know, washi. Oop, too much glare there. But I'm hoping that's focusing enough for you to have a look. It's really beautiful. I love it. It's a nice background, you know, it's not going to be too distracting. There's not too much going on, but I like it. We'll set that over here. And what do we have here? Dream Flower Shop. 30 pieces. I'm guessing sticker. I don't see anything that really tells me. Ooh, this feels nice. There's, oh, it's a little torn there. This is like a glassine or sort of vellum material, which of course can be reused in journals. It's always fun to reuse these because they're translucent so you can see the sticker through. Now I don't love all the markings. I do like this purple though, and the characters, which I can't read because I don't read this language, but you know, they're kind of beautiful also. Like, it's kind of like art. They're like brush strokes, right? So this doesn't, you know, bother me as much as like random text, but this, not loving that. But, you know, you can easily cover that up. You just have to have the right adhesive that'll go over something this slick. This is very slick, but yeah, I would reuse this in a journal. And, oh boy, these are, let's see here. I got it, finally. Yeah, it's a thicker, it has an acetate backer, a thicker sticker. Let's rhyme there. I'm just going to pull this off. Alright, go ahead, and I don't want to take it all the way off the backing paper, but I think it'll show up nicely on this white. So it's very, very slick. I have no words. I'm so sorry. I like this watercolory like background. I'm not sure about the outline of shiny gold. Can you see that? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. The jury's out on that one about what I think. But yeah, these are, there's a whole, does it say how many? 10, 30. So maybe there's, I don't know. Oh yeah, I'm guessing there are 10 different designs. Say 10, 30, and 30 pieces. So a nice variety of florals. They all have sort of a frame, but they're going to be translucent on what you put them on. Ooh, that's a nice one with the marbling. Yeah, I think there's a major floral purpley theme going on here. How about some paper ephemera? Ooh, I do like the florals. You have a little variety of size, it looks like. So this is also in the theme of using the packaging. I like that this is cut at this angle. This could be an interesting feature in a journal. As a pocket, you can use it as a pocket, or an interesting flip out. You know, and this can be a pocket if you glue this side and this side down, and then this can flip out, or even like that way. But I think that if I were to do this, I might just glue these two sides, use it as a little pocket here, and it could either be glued down to add additional tucking space in your journal, or you can have it as something you can pull in and out to use that. Oh, we have vellum in here also. I didn't realize it had vellum as well. So I like the butterflies there. Nice pale yellow or cream color. The vellum, yeah, I can't tell if it's kind of the same. So it looks like each one, yeah, is repeated in vellum. That's nice. And then we have a variety of sizes. A nice larger square here, and patterns. I really like this one. I like those colors together. This is a nice vintage looking floral. And then a little bit wider rectangle here. Oh wait, it does... Where's my vellum of this one? Is it... I don't know. Maybe not everyone has a vellum. I was liking this one, but I don't see the vellum one for it. Purple Dawn. I like this box. I mean, these boxes, of course, are reusable. I haven't actually... I've collected, I have quite a few now, and I haven't actually used them for anything, but let me know in the comments what you would reuse this little box for. I mean, you could actually just thought of something, which I have plenty of places to hold paper clips, but yeah, you could have like paper clips in there. You know what would be really fun, I just thought also, is having like a little diorama or a little scene if you wanted to go crazy creative and cut out tiny things to make a little scene or a little house or something in there. That's kind of funny. I like these subtle lavender colors. Look at this. Now what are these? Are they paper? It says original Matchbox material paper. I guess they are paper. This feels like mulberry paper or handmade paper. It's thicker. I really like this one with the white. It's really beautiful. It's a thicker, you know, it's not thin paper. It's more like a cardstock. The flowers bloom and fall. 'Tis true. Ooh, and we have a tag. The story of Camellia. These are just very pretty. I don't think I can read that, but it might be some Latin name for a lily or something. I don't know. Look, butterfly. Of course I like butterflies. Ooh, that's like a lily of the valley, I think. Willow orchid. I'll see you in the summer. When the flowers bloom. The meaning of the flower, it sets a deadline for you. Let you move, maybe? Or no, let you more cherish the moment it blooms. Ooh, and this one has like a little label. I just love this color. I mean, purple is kind of a controversial color in what people think is purple and what blah blah blah. But yeah, I do like that color. Please tell me what's on your mind. It says in super tiny print there with a lovely little floral accent. These are cute. I like that whole set. Okay, ooh, what is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? I think these are stickers. So this looks like our kind of custom sticker sheet that we usually get. They look like they're die cut. Is that showing up on camera? Let me try. I don't know if that's showing up, but you can kind of see here, look, there are shapes. I wonder if, yeah, you can kind of see from the back what shapes there are, but it is very hard to tell. It looks like maybe some floral shapes, like leaves, and maybe some postage stamp-like shapes. It's kind of a thicker sticker. Again, this is a theme. I feel like I'm saying the same thing. And these are completely opaque. Be interesting to figure out if you could do something with the negative space too. So, yeah, this is one of those leaf shapes. I don't want to take it all the way off. This is definitely not something I've received in a box before. And the other thing is it's got, how do I describe this? A texture to it. There's a feel to it, and I don't know if this will show up in the light. Let me see. Okay, camera's having a hard time, but you can kind of see the die cut part. It's not perfectly cut. It's a little rough around some of the edges, but, and I don't know if you can see that texture, but I can feel it. And so I don't know what to say. It has kind of thrown me. It is interesting. These are pretty cool. I really love the vivid colors though. So that's kind of a new thing. Then we have the sticker, or the paper, excuse me, not sticker, paper ephemera pack, where we get 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper, and 6 different designs. This is some beautiful colors. These are some beautiful colors. Oh, grammar. I think these are the sticker paper. They're thicker. Love the blue and the purples in this. Does remind me of hydrangea. Look at that. Oh, I like the book text coming through behind and the distressing. This is interesting. I like the floral more than I kind of wish it was opposite, like this pattern was more subtle and the floral was standing out a little more, but it is, oops, I skipped one, excuse me. This is cool. It has like, I don't know, I'm getting a retro vibe from this, but I really like the blue, and it has a lot of pop with that subtle, it's almost a coral there. And then this is what, damask? Is that what that's called? I can't remember. Ooh, these are going to look pretty cool. And this is the art paper because it has that little bit of texture. Completely smooth on the back, but just a tiny bit of texture. And then we have regular paper and then vellum in each of them. I'm an expert at making messes here, so it is spreading across my desk. Oh, and there's another sticker sheet. Well, we will come to that. This is more paper ephemera here. Now, these, yes, have more of, can you hear that? Tag weight. It's definitely, yeah, more tag weight, like cardstock, but heavyweight cardstock. These would be great as journal cards. And you could probably make some greeting cards with these too, like taking a couple of them, and I'll have to see, and just staggering them. There's, if you've followed my channel or seen a lot of my card videos, you've probably seen what I'm thinking of. But it doesn't, it looks like they all have like a space to write. Ooh, I like that one. Labels. So, but so you'd have to cover up quite a bit if you used it on a card, like, you know, I don't know how that would work. Yeah. So there's a whole pack of those. Alright, what's next here? We have some more paper. It looks like the stamps are going to be last there, huh? They're underneath everything. Is this a booklet? It is attached on the side. And maybe that's a preview of the different pages. I'm not sure. When you're done using this, this can be a journal element easily. Ooh, I like this very vintage looking flower here. Let's see if we can go through these slower. I love calla lilies. Little bird there. Skipped a few. More birds. Ooh, I love this color. Ooh, wait, what did I... Ooh, and a very nice blue hydrangea. I really like that print there. And that one's intriguing with the face. It looks very mixed media, like an art journal page right here, in minuscule form. And I love the rose. Oh, I think it repeats. No, maybe not all of them, but that one's a nice big butterfly. Yeah, some of them seem like it. Maybe it's repeating in just a shade darker. Oh yeah, that was that same butterfly. So it repeats in kind of the darker paper, it looks like. Interesting. Alright, and then here's another tiny little paper. It looks like paper. What do we have here? This is cute. I do love tiny things, don't I? And it looks like, yeah, look at that little, oops, and of course I've got it upside down. This is fun, and so it's just a tiny little booklet. Interesting, like the size. Oh, are these stickers? Why, yes, they are. So these are like a washi sticker. Let's see, what do I have here? You can, it is kind of translucent. You can't see a whole lot of the pattern behind, but you're going to see something. Ow, did I tear it? So yeah, they're very, you know, kind of a small size. This size is great for like a traveler's notebook type of journal. And to bring with you on the go, yeah. This is cute. And you can just overlap them or stagger. Maybe that's not making sense. This is not going to look perfect, but let me just grab a couple here. So, and if only I had traveler's notebook on hand, but I'm thinking like, you might cover up a little bit, but stagger them just as a little accent on the side of your page. So, and I love that they're so small. I think you could easily throw this inside of a bag and bring with you. And who doesn't love this cute little attachment there? I'm gonna close it. I'm I don't have any immediate idea, but I feel like this could be something else when you're done with it too. And actually, if you wanted to make more of these, you know, like make little cute booklets or something, you could use this as a template when you're done and trace it and then be able to cut it out in paper. Alright, here are some more stickers. These ones are more like the ones we usually get in that they're the same design here, except these are not clear. And so we have 3 of the larger one. They look like a little postage stamp. Very cute. And, oh, something else. What is this? Lots of paper in this month's box. Paper, paper, paper. Retro Library Series. Little booklet. Is this a sticker paper again? It looks like it. Oh, but it's shiny. So this is not washi. Oh, that's a really cute image though, like from a book. Combien, comment t'appelles-tu? Or no, I don't know what that says, but comment t'appelles something. Anyway, that's in French. Must be a little French book. I don't love the shiny. Can you see that? Yeah, it's picking up glare. But sometimes that's easy to deal with if you, like with the vintage style, you just ink over the edges. Of course, you're not going to want to cover up the image, but we'll see how it is in using it. Yeah, I'm more of a fan of matte. I should just say it's glossy, you know? It's a little glossy. That's probably the word for it, right? Let me know in the comments, do you prefer glossy or matte? Like this, that's just a nice little background thing. And you know what? If you're doing mixed media or collage, you're throwing a lot on the page anyway, so it's probably not going to stand out that much if it's peeking through. Alright, you've been waiting, and here it is. We have 2 stamps, looks like, although sometimes they surprise me, and there's more in there. Okay, there's one large floral there, of course, with my favorite, a butterfly in behind. Looks like a hydrangea with a lily, maybe. Maybe a dandelion in there, possibly. Ooh, and this one's a 3-fer. We've got 3 stamps in here. A nice round hydrangea flower there, and then 2 smaller ones. Let's go ahead and stamp these out and see how they look. Alright, so this is the slightly larger stamp with all the flowers and butterflies. Very nice. Fun to color. I think I'd do it with colored pencil though, with all that black detail. And then we have 3 more stamps. A large hydrangea bloom. This looks like, it could be the flowers of the hydrangea, you know, but it could be a lot of different things. It almost looks like it could be a cherry blossom or an apple blossom, you know. And so you can add in details with those. So lots and lots of paper this month. What do you think of this month's box? Did you get the box? Got any ideas to share? Thanks again for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!